Welcome to WizzeBoo, where stories, colors, and fun come alive. Hello, Super Kids! Today we are going to draw Sprunki, number block 9. First, we will start with the main body. Draw one big rectangle for the main body. Then draw the lower body. Inside the rectangle, draw 2 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines to create 9 blocks.
Sprunki, Sprunki, you and me, learn and play so happily. Count with joy, 1, 2, 3, sing this song with Sprunki.
Now, let's move to the face. First, draw the eyes. Inside the eyes, draw the eye details.
Yellow, blue, and green so bright.
Next, draw the eyebrows above the eyes.
Jump along, don't stop now, we can learn, we know how. Sprunki says let's start again, learning songs with
Then draw a happy smile mouth. Inside the mouth, add the teeth. Finally, write the number 9 at the top. Fantastic work! You have completed the drawing of NumberBlocks Sprunki 9. Now, let's color it and bring it to life.
learning numbers can't be beat. Spin around and pat your
First, pick up the black color. Black, B-L-A-C-K. Color the eyes and the inside mouth area.
count with joy. 7, 8, 9. This Sprunki song feels so divine. One more time before we go. Sprunki song.
Next, pick up the navy blue color. Navy blue, N-A-V-Y-B-L-U-E. Color the eye outlines, eyebrows, and smile outline.
Count with joy. 1, 2, 3. Sing this song with Sprunki. Sprunki, Sprunki, you and me.
Mini game. How many blocks are inside number block 9? A, 7. B, 8. C, 9. Answer, C, 9. Awesome job! Now pick up the light gray color. Light gray, L-I-G-H-T-G-R-E-Y. Color the first 3 blocks.
He smiles. Let's begin. Counting fun. Let it spin. Tap your toe.
Coloring game. What color are the eyebrows and smile outline? A, red. B, navy blue. C, yellow. Answer, B, navy blue. Excellent!
And here we go. Numbers make our hearts all glow. Count with joy.
Next, pick up the gray color. Gray, G-R-E-Y. Color the second 3 blocks.
4 and 5 and 6 so bright. 7, 8 all day and night. Sprunki.
Eye game. Look carefully, Super Kids. How many eyebrows does Sprunki number block 9 have? A, 1. B, 2. C, 3. Answer, B, 2. Great work!
Numbers every day. 1, 2, 3, and here we go. Counting fast, now count slow. Jump and shout. 9.
Now pick up the dark gray color. Dark gray, D-A-R-K-G-R-E-Y. Color the last 3 blocks and the lower body.
Cool. Learning makes you bright in school. Count with friends, count with me. Sprunki time is number spree.
Counting time. Let's count to 9 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fantastic!
Count with joy. 4, 5, 6. Sing this song with Sprunki. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Learning numbers can't be beat. Spin around and pat your knees.
Awesome! Our Sprunki number block 9 is complete. Learning time. Today we learned number 9, shape, rectangle, colors, black, navy blue, light gray, gray, dark gray. Great job learning with Sprunki. Thank you for drawing with Sprunki today. Today we learned number block 9, practice counting to 9, and learned new colors. If you enjoyed this video, keep drawing and learning with Sprunki. See you in the next episode where we will draw Sprunki number block 10. Bye-bye, Super Kids!
Thanks for watching WizzeBoo! See you next time for more fun adventures!